All right, back in action here on Tim's Cougar. Got our hardware off down here on the bottom. Got our nut up here at the top, free. And as you guys can all see, we showed it yesterday, the bend. The bend. It's like the plane. Anywho, so I'm getting our bushings loose here. I am going to back this off. Give this a little bang, pop that out, and away it goes. Now they're side by side, you can see the bend in the old one. I do need to knock out the bolts real quick. There. And we can put our new one together. Came over to 28 to use the vise because I was in unit 14. Hello, who's here? Luna. Hi. All right, got our nut on the back side of our radius arm here. We got our bushing already set. Got our bolts going through. I'm gonna snug these up first. Then get this kind of set up, run this up to where we want it. I have the measurement, so we will be good to go. And there's our radius arm. Just gotta put our cotter pins in. One here, and these two down here. But done. Everything's nice and tight. Everything is as it should be, because this bushing set is different than the Moog problem solver set that was on the car prior. But it still all goes together the same, so done deal. I mean, it's the same, but it's different, you know. You know! That was my Strong Bad voice. Anybody remember Strong Bad? Strong Bad, yeah. The squiddlies and the middlies.